chain come to bring us crypto golden rum. One day when the system is done, we'll take our treasure and go. Once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me, crypto boys blow.
Advanced privacy protocol that can't be compromised. Transactions anonymous and privatized. zk-SNARKs here to shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. This day and age I can't get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me. I don't care, you can do what you want. I'd rather feel safe and secure than on the run. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction.
Soon may the pirate chain come to bring us crypto golden rum. One day when the system is done, we'll take our treasure and go. There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me, crypto boys blow. There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me, crypto boys blow.
Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. This day and age I can't get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me. I don't care, you can do what you want. I'd rather feel safe and secure than on the run. This day and age I can't get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me. I don't care, you can do what you want. I'd rather feel safe and secure than on the run.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to this month's Pirate Chain Monthly Update. I'm Daniel. DeJohn's here on Discord and Telegram, and we're happy everybody showed up today. Over here in the US, there's the eclipse going on, so I'm sure a lot of people are distracted by that, but it's not a big deal because these are recorded and people can go back and listen to them elsewhere. So we got a ton of cool stuff going on here at Pirate Chain. I'm really stoked about this month's update. We got lots of cool things going on we want everybody to know about. So the first thing I want to check off the list is KuCoin officially delisted ARRR on the 28th of March, a week or two ago. And so you can no longer withdraw coins there. I hope everybody got their coins off. If not, I believe they do have some method where you can contact customer support over there. I'm not positive it will work or not. Hopefully everybody got their coins off. But KuCoin is no longer friendly to pirates or privacy coins, so we have plenty other great places to buy it, so it's not really a big deal at all to us. So if you are looking for a place to buy or sell your pirate, go to piratechain.com/exchanges. Lots of non-KYC options there, and we don't need them, basically. So the next thing I want to jump over to is what Forge has been working on the development side. The big project he has going on right now is implementing the Orchard pool into Pirate Chain, and this does several cool things. Obviously, a lot of people will know that it gets rid of the trusted setup, but it also, from what I understand, also has some scaling improvements and other improvements. I'm going to see if Forge over here wants to jump in and say a few words about that.
Well, I don't have much to say about that yet. I'm still working on it. I've implemented the orchard structures into the transaction primitives, and I've started working on the consensus rules. So far everything's working. I've been building and running every commit or so. So far everything's looking good. It's going to take a little while still because there is some things that will be different from the implementation that Zcash did for one thing, I'm not looking at a unified address, so I'm gonna have to figure out an encoding scheme for an orchard address that is independent of a sapling address. I'm looking at a slightly different way to do some decryption, meaning I'm looking at maybe adding a third key so that we could uh, do a single transaction decryption instead of sharing our viewing key to decrypt everything in a single address. I want to be able to just decrypt share a key to decrypt a single transaction. So there are going to be changes that, so it will be different, but that's still a little ways off.
Awesome. Yeah, we mostly want to bring it up just so you guys know what's going on in the background, and it is a big project, and he's doing great work on that. Besides the moving from the trusted setup and having the individual viewing key for individual transactions, which is a really cool idea. Also, I'm really interested in that. Does going to Orchard have any other improvements?
Um, there's some scaling differences and there's some roll-up differences, but I don't think the users are going to notice anything right off the bat. We'll probably do a pretty vanilla implementation to start with, and then we'll do more research down the line on the different things that we can do with it.
Awesome. Well, thanks for all your work, Forge. That's a really big project, so that's the major thing that's going on in the development side right now. Just wanted to let everybody know what we're staying busy with over here. So thanks for coming on and helping on, Forge. Is there anything else you wanted to say?
No, but I'll stick around for questions.
All right, awesome. Thanks, Forge. All right, the next big news is that the PBAS chain on Verus, VAR, VARRR, has launched and is live right now. So it's currently producing blocks and currently giving out mining rewards and such. So but as of right now, they're working on implementing VAR swaps on atomic decks, and they've been testing that a lot over the last few days. And from what I understand, that's going to launch very soon, hopefully in the next few days. And once that goes live, it'll be an easy way to onboard onto Verus and onto VAR. So you can go and create a Verus ID and stake your VAR, swap your pirate chain over for VAR, and go and stake it over on Verus Network and go explore that whole ecosystem. So we're really excited about that. I'm really stoked about the swaps going live because that's when I'm going to go over and stake some of my coins. But we got Hossein here. Would you like to come on and say a few words about that?
Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. And I guess the solar eclipse is really nice. It's already night here, so there is no solar to see the eclipse. Yeah, about VAR, you already said most of the things. So on Wednesday, in 2 days' time, there'll be like in Verus's block height of 3 million, their latest update will go live, which will start notarizing VR on Verus chain. Right now, VR is notarizing only on its own chain, so cross-chain import and export is not working yet. So it's like about 2,600 blocks to go for that to start working. And once that happens, people wouldn't even, I mean, you can literally like exchange your Verus coin or bridge.veth, DAI, Maker, TBTC to VR, and you can get an ID and start using, like, start staking blocks. So right now, whoever could get VR from the bridge itself, the bridge had 500,000 VR, and right now it has about 290,500 VR left in there for now. So 210,000 is essentially being staked.
Okay, great. So if people want to get involved with VR, where can they go to learn more about it? Do we have some links we can post in the chat? I can't post links. We learned that last month when I got kicked out. But if somebody could...
Well, let me post the Pirate Chain website that we have, the link.
Okay, great. Yeah, if you guys want to get involved in Verus and VAR, you can start mining it right away. If you have old smartphones, seem to be the most efficient way to do it. So if you have some smartphones around, you can start mining it as of right now, and hopefully within the next few days, swaps will be live on Komodo Wallet. And you can, if you're not interested in mining, you're just interested in staking, you can go and swap some of your Pirate Chain for VR and go stake it on your Verus wallet with your Verus ID. In order to create a Verus ID, Hossein, do you pay for that with VR or with R? VR, okay. So
it's standard VR for ID to get an ID, but if you use, let me post a referral for Pirate Chain. It's pirate.vr.at, I believe. So let me find it. And if anybody uses that one, they will get, they can get an ID for 80 VR.
Okay,
20
awesome.
VR comes to the Pirate. I mean, it will be used for the VR project.
Do you have to have an ID to mine?
No, you don't need to have an ID to mine. You can mine it directly on the pool. The biggest pools, I mean, Verus pools has already integrated merge mining for VR. So all the pools are essentially merge mining. They're also paying out to the miners proportionate to their hash rate.
Okay,
So
great.
yeah, you don't need to. Only for staking, you need an ID.
All right, awesome. So if you guys want to get involved in staking, look out for the next Komodo wallet update. Update your Komodo wallet, swap for some VR, and go get a Verus ID, which has lots of cool use cases, not just for staking VR. Go get yourself a Verus ID and start staking and earning a reward. So we're pretty excited about this. I know I'm definitely going to be staking some as soon as the new update comes out. So we believe in a couple links.
Even mining is also fun because the block reward is supposed to be 0.08, which is fixed. But on top of that, there are fee that comes from the fee pool. So anybody registering an ID is spending the coins, and those coins that goes like, apart from the referral bonuses and stuff, that goes to the fee pool, to all the miners or stakers.
Okay, great.
And it doesn't go in a single block. It just releases 1% of the total amount of the fee pool on each block. So over the period of many blocks, so everybody gets a pie of the fee pool. And when there will be cross-chain import and export working, there'll be more fees generated.
Awesome. So yeah, if you're spending your VR, you're not just giving it away to somebody. You're supporting the network and supporting the miners. So
I just posted the ID that users can use as referrals, so they save 20 VAR, and pirate.var gets 20 coins as well.
all right, awesome. So make sure you guys use that referral bonus. For the people who are listening later, where should we send them to find out more information about this? Just the Verus website?
This will be announced. All the information will be included in the announcement when Pirate team officially does the announcement. I'm just giving a heads up to anybody who is in the call or will be listening to the record.
Okay, great. So look out for that announcement, guys, and you'll find all the relevant links in there. And it's really not that difficult. It may sound difficult to some people who haven't done this before, but it's actually pretty easy. They have, over at Verus, they've made everything pretty easy. So don't be afraid to jump in and go learn about it and start earning some staking rewards. Is there anything else you wanted to mention about it?
Nope. As of now, no. There was an issue with the Explorer that wasn't showing the new blocks that's coming in, and it had some rate limiting, but those were fixed today.
Okay,
So
awesome.
the Explorer shows all the latest blocks coming in and browse through. So even the rate limit has been reduced, so people can browse, and the Explorer is not going to show errors.
Okay, great. And if anybody wants to do a deep dive into the stuff, last month's meeting, we went really deep into how these chains work and how Verus works and stuff. So if you want more detailed information about that kind of stuff, go check out last month's meeting. And there's also Twitter space, not the last one, but the one before that, in which we went into it in pretty good detail as well. So, and also you can go check out Verus's website, verus.io, and their Discord to learn more about the PBAS chains. There's lots of knowledgeable people in there that can help you. So, but thanks for coming on and getting us updated, Hossein. All right.
All are welcome.
Thanks, brother. All right, what's next here? We already mentioned, the Komodo wallet update should be coming soon. That'll include VAR, so keep an eye out for that, everybody. We also just want to give a quick update about Pirate Decks. It's still in the works and still really close to being finished. They didn't see any sense in releasing it before VR swaps were going to be available, so we're waiting until after that to put Pirate Decks out, but definitely keep that on your radar, guys, and be excited for when that comes out, because that is a big deal and a big marketing opportunity for Pirate, so we're really going to want to spread the word about that. It should get us some attention there. What's next? Oh, Oswald has created a new development fleet in which they're going to be working on some projects that they feel are important for Pirate Chain and building the ecosystem. So, just a second. But I'll go ahead and let's call it, right now the title is called Atlantic Fleet. We'll post a link to it here in the chat if you could do that, Oswald, and then maybe we can post one in the Pirate Chain chat too. But I'm going to go ahead and read their little mission statement here about what they have going on over there, because we could always use more people working on Pirate Chain. So, I'm sorry, let me bring this up. Oh, I'm sorry, I clicked on the wrong page here, guys. Here we go. He's calling it a R&D fleet. So I'll just read his announcement from the community projects chat. This is the announcement for the creation of a research and development fleet inspired by Lutz's idea of having several fleets working on the common goal of improving Pirate. The fleet has been temporarily named Atlantic Fleet for the lack of a better name. Fleet name suggestions are welcome. The current focus of the fleet is the addition of bells and whistles to Pirate software. This could be anything from bug fixes to UI improvements to completely new features. The fleet currently consists of one researcher and one solutions architect, and 2 developers. Volunteers are more than welcome to join and contribute with their own skill set. If you are interested in doing so, please comment below or direct message me. These are the projects the fleets will be working on. New features, a Docker file for Pirate Pay to improve ease of use for merchants, an address book for Skull Island, merchant mode for the upcoming Pirate Chain decks, a community-based projects proposal platform. And under bug fixes, they said they want to work on Pirate Wallet Lite binary fix on Linux. And they're going to announce a lot more projects, but these are kind of things that they have started focusing on, which is pretty exciting. I know Werelock and Oswald both mentioned they want to make Pirate Pay more easier to onboard merchants to, and make it just a simple merchant solution, which would be really impactful for our ecosystem if people could use self-hosted type of payment system for their businesses. And if it's easy to use, it already works and everything, but they're going to make it more efficient, more easy to use is their goal. They're also looking for testers and researchers and stuff like that, not necessarily just developers. So if there's anybody out there who feel like they can lend a hand to their fleet, go and join them. We're really excited to see other people creating their own fleets. And feel free to start your own, whether it's in marketing or development or anything you'd like. This is a community project. Anyone can participate in it. Now we have at least 2 or 3 other fleets besides the main Pirate Chain team that are doing cool stuff and working hard to promote and build on Pirate. So they've got some really cool goals over there. So go check out the Atlantic Fleet. You can talk to Oswald. If you have any questions about it, well, let's go give those guys our support. Some of these goals will be really beneficial to our ecosystem. So you guys can message Oswald, or if anybody has any questions at any point, you can go ahead and raise your hand or something. And we still got Oswald, Hossein, and Forge all in here that can answer questions about anything we've gone over so far. So don't be afraid to raise your hand if you have any questions or comments. Let's see, the next item I wanted to check off is, I wanted to mention the Nonsensus conference. It's happening in November in Phoenix, Arizona. It is a Darrow conference, but they're very friendly to pirates, and there's going to be at least one pirate presentation at the event. Hopefully some more, depending on if we can get people to go or not. But there's going to be at least one, and there's lots of people who are pirates and fans of the Darrow project that are there. It was a really friendly environment for pirates, and I think it's a great opportunity for some of us who aren't completely anonymous to meet in person and get to know each other and really make real world connections. I think those can be lost when we do everything online with a digital project like we have. So it really brings a lot of energy and emotion, and makes it real when you can meet some of the people that you work so hard with online and that you share the same values and goals with. So it's a really cool conference. They treat you really well, feed you a bunch of good food, and it's 3 days long. There's basically a 4th day where everybody hangs out and stuff too. So it costs 100 Darrow, and you can go to nonsensus.io to find out more. I'd like to make it kind of a joint pirate Darrow conference if we can get lots of pirates there, and hopefully do one night that week, do our own pirate party where we just have pirates there, and maybe at a bar or restaurant or something like that. So I'd like to see some other people there, show some support for Pirate. There's lots of fresh ears in the Darrow community that value privacy, that could learn a lot from Pirate and would probably be interested in our project. The next thing I wanted to mention, I've been meaning to bring this up in all the monthly updates, but I forgot the last couple times. There's still the fake Telegram Pirate Chain channel that is still up and still running scams. Just make sure you guys are in the right Telegram group. The link is on the Pirate Chain website, piratechain.com. And make sure you're in the right group. There's no migration happening and no airdrops, so there's still some real pirates in that group. And so I just want to make sure to mention that every month, that make sure you're in real Pirate Chain Discord and Telegrams, because we can't seem to get Telegram to take down the fake ones. So, and I think that was everything I had on my list. If there's anything anyone else wanted to bring up, you can go ahead and raise your hand. Or if there's any questions and comments, I know there's only a few of us here because of the eclipse. But if anybody has any questions and comments, you can go ahead and raise your hand and go ahead and pipe in. I personally can't even see I was supposed to be able to see part of the eclipse from my house, but it's overcast outside and I can't see crap, so sucks for me. But everybody else in the country seems pretty excited about it. But yeah, I guess that's everything I have listed. We can go ahead and wrap up here in just a second. I guess I'd want to remind people that, this is a community project and it's open to anybody to contribute to it. And we could really use all the help and marketing we could get. If you're good at making graphics, flyers, or if you're even good at composing tweets, come join us over in the Discord. And if some of your content is good enough, then we will even share it we will post it on the official Pirate Chain Twitter account. we are very selective about what we post on there. We're not just going to post sloppy garbage and stuff like that. So don't be offended if we, don't post it from the official Twitter account. But if you're good at that kind of stuff, go ahead and submit your work to us and help us market it, or do your own thing from your own Twitter accounts. Nobody has to come ask permission or get approval from us for anything. You can post on your own social media accounts, make your own. I'm personally not on TikTok, but I know tons of the younger generations are on there. So if we have any younger pirates that are over on TikTok, don't be afraid to make some pirate videos. And if you need anything, proofread or want someone to go over it to make sure you're not putting any technical mistakes in there or any wrong information, you can come over to the Discord or a Telegram. We have people to look over it for you. But don't be afraid to put yourself out there and tell the world about the most private digital currency in existence, Pirate Chain. There's lots of people out there that need to hear our message and they could use the tools we're building here. So don't be afraid to put yourself out there and tell the world about the amazing work we're doing over here and the mission we have to bring privacy and sovereignty to anybody who needs it. So did anybody else want to say anything? Any questions, comments? Did I miss anything? So I guess maybe this might be a shorter meeting, but that could be helpful too because people could get the update really quickly. We'll have this out on recording, so if you weren't here for the whole meeting, you can go ahead and find the recording of it and re-listen to it. And we will be doing the monthly meeting every month on the second Monday of the month. We found that works best, so we're going to keep to that schedule. So keep looking out for that. We're doing Twitter Spaces once a month. The next Twitter Space should be in the next week or two, so keep an eye out for that. Those have been really popular. We have lots of pirates over there that aren't on Discord or Telegram that have been coming to those spaces. They've been really enjoying it, and also pirates been getting shown to some new people that aren't on our other platforms, hadn't heard of us before. Twitter's really big for crypto. I know a lot of us don't like Twitter that much, but there's tons of crypto bros on there that could, use to learn about privacy and about what Pirate Chain's doing. So keep a lookout for the Twitter Spaces, the monthly meeting on the second Monday of every month. We do community calls on every Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern here on Discord, where you can show up, talk about anything you want. There's usually several team members there that can answer questions. And we generally have some really cool conversations. Sometimes they go on for hours, so come hang out with us there. And go check out all of our social media accounts and all of our channels over on piratechain.com. And I think that should probably do it. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this meeting. Make sure to come get an update next month, guys. And remember, your privacy is your freedom. Join us here at Pirate Chain and take it back. Thanks for coming, everyone.
Chain come to bring us crypto golden rum. One day when the system is done, we'll take our treasure and go. Once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me. Crypto boys go.
Advanced privacy protocol that can't be compromised. Transactions anonymous and privatized. zk-SNARKs here to shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. This day and age, I can't get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me. I don't care, you can do what you want. I'd rather feel safe and secure than on the run. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction.
Soon may the pirate chain come to bring us crypto golden rum. One day when the system is done, we'll take our treasure and go.